Okay, so folks, now we're with Allie. Everybody say hi to Allie, and you're going to get her contact information because we're going to do another walkthrough tutorial. I did this earlier today with Cheryl, another coaching client. So thank you. All right. So first things first, let's walk you through how to now. Allie is a full coaching client, and we just signed up together. I think 6 months ago. She has access to everything. She should have access to everything. So we're gonna walk through this and see um, see whether or not I did the right thing or not. Okay. So all you do is, all right, video tutorial for online community OREG. Is that the subject? Let me see when this was sent. Oh, never mind. I got it. I got it. So go down to the login. Yep. Great. Just click on it. And we are in. So this is the OREG online community. And OREG in this case stands for Our Real Estate Investment Group. And it mirrors the Okanagan Real Estate Investment Group branding because we're joining them together. So nothing's going to change for the Okanagan Real Estate Investment Group. We're still going to be having our local meetings here in Kelowna at the Best Western Plus, like every third Thursday. That's about when we meet. Now everybody that's a part of that group has access to this online community so that you can connect with people like Allison, who is in Winnipeg. And then she goes by Allie too. I call her Allison and Allie, just depends. And so first things first, you have to create a profile picture. It won't let you move forward without it. I do not know why. It seems to be really important to them. So go ahead and just click on it. And I'll show you what we did to make it faster earlier. You can go over to do you know where your headshot is or a good picture is? Go to pictures under documents on the left. Oh, are you frozen? Did your computer run out of battery? That happened earlier too. I've been meeting with people all day. It's been so great. Allison, are you there? I'm going to pause it. Okay, so this is great. Now, when your computer comes up like this, folks, usually there's a whole toolbar on the side of your screen. Usually it's on the left as you're looking at it. And you can click on pictures and it might show some pictures that you can use for your profile pic. And keep in mind, you can always come back and change it. It's not there for life. So do you happen to know where a picture is, Allie?
Let me check. Yeah,
Awesome.
there we go.
Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Now, a lot of people put their face. Allie, you can come back and put your face in here if you like. But yeah, people absolutely it's a real estate group. So if you want to put a house, put a house. That's cool. There are no big rules. No naked pics, please. You know, nothing inappropriate. Let's keep it appropriate. I'm not too worried about anybody, but I guess I'll add that. So then what you do is you see, so if you can scroll up so that I can see, just scroll down. There's a button that says save. Yeah.
Can you see it?
I can't see it. So can
Oh,
you
weird.
just
Hold on.
like can you kind of zoom out or zoom in a little bit?
There we
There,
go.
save. Perfect. And then next is you need to have a couple of words. You can just say hi there for now, and then you can put your bio in there later. And what I do is I use ChatGPT and I put a little bio in ChatGPT. And I know you have a good one because I've seen it on your slides for your presentation. You can just copy your bio into ChatGPT and say, please create a bio that's under 200 characters and paste it in there. Okay. But for now, this is good enough. And complete. All right. Awesome. Now you are ready to post. So yeah, could you zoom back out again? Because we won't need to go into your back office or your files anymore. So that is that's a post that you're looking at. You can just click outside of that. It should take you to the discussion. There you are. So there's you, you're in. So click on discussion. Are you clicking? You are. Okay, now go to home. You should be able to say something in discussion. Now I scroll the other way. I do not know why that is not working. I go to the right. Oh, sorry, scroll down. Join group. Try that.
Yay.
Yay, you're in. See, it gave you confetti. I think that's so fun. So you always have to have a title. So, and you know, it's usually like it's like a topic. So just click on what's on your mind, Allison. And then your title can be whatever. So this is where I suggest you where you can post content, or you can just say hi there and tell people a little bit about you. This is what I was talking about when I talked about you becoming a specialist for this type of property, this niche that you've discovered in Winnipeg for rent to own. And you can expand in there. So this group is for people, again, who are monthly OREG members, one-on-one coaching clients like yourself, and people who have signed up for the No Fluff Wholesaling course. All right. So you can do GIFs, GIFs, and they're super funny. I just did one for Cheryl, and it's a sailor and it's a welcome. It's kind of silly. You can post a picture. You can post a video. So typically a YouTube video, or you can download a video that you've done on your own. And you can put a link in there if you find an interesting article that you think will help people, or if you create a blog or something like that. You can attach a file. So if you have like a script, you're like, oh my gosh, the script worked so great. Here it is, everybody. Enjoy. I hope it works well for you, something like that. And then, of course, emoticons. You know how to use emoticons. And then you just super excited to be here. That's great. I don't know what announcements is yet. So everybody, this is soft launch time as I'm making all these tutorial videos. This is the third one. And then publish post.
Should I go for it?
Go for it. It's great. Yeah, it's really great. I'm in. Look at that. That's so great. Now go, learning is not something that's active yet. So go up at the top tab. You have some tools in here, which is great. You won't have all of your tools yet, though. That is something that's currently being worked on, but you can access the OREG monthly membership library, which has all of our recorded content, and the Street Smart real estate investment tools. That's where you go if you can't find your analyzer, or you're working on another computer. That's where you go to get that and your motivated seller worksheet and calculators. You can download all that stuff from this community. So it's kind of nice. You don't have to travel with your computer if you don't want to. It's something you can use at, I mean, like the library. And I mean, actually, I don't know if the library lets you download things, but regardless, that's where some learning is. Then you click on members. And you see Christine is here. I know you know Christine. So if you wanted to say, hey, Christine, then you could do that in discussion in a post. And we have all these people, and there's going to be a whole bunch more people coming in because I've worked with so many people over time, but this is a brand new online space. So we have people from Mexico, Canada, the United States, hopefully Australia. So all of these people. And so it's going to be building and building and building. Okay, great. So now go to events. Fantastic. So the only event that's in the calendar right now, if you just scroll down a little bit, is our November networking event that's happening in Kelowna. So what's coming are more and more online events. So these will be in Zoom. And again, it's exclusively for people who have invested in themselves, like Ali, like OREG members, have invested, you know, financially, have invested in time. to be, to grow. So this is exclusively for all of you that have done that. You know who you are. If you're here, then that's what's happened. So this is our upcoming speakers. They're going to be great. The recorded audio is going to be put into the OREIG library. So if you can't come out, you still get to listen to it. All right. And so if you want to just back out of that. So this calendar is going to fill. We're going to have rent to own Q&A. We're going to have wholesaling Q&A. We're going to have, I'm going to go session by session and certain trainings to highlight things that people can learn. So it's gonna be a pretty full calendar next time you look at this. Leaderboard is not something that is active right now, but what's coming is that are going to be contests. So we're going to have like
Ooh.
dialing contests, networking contests. We're going to have contests around looking at properties. So like you can decide to spend 2 hours a night looking at property, or you can spend 2 hours a night watching Netflix. And guess what's going to take you further faster? That's right, looking at properties. So it's going to have to be on the, it's going to be on the trust system. But if you look at 20 properties in a night, then, and you report that, then we're going to have contests and prizes, and it's going to be super fun. It's going to be really cute and enjoyable, because anybody that's a real estate investor is a competitive person. So we're going to add some fun to this. All right. And then now, so that's what the leaderboard is about. And then the about page is just about this community and what it's about. So what you want to do is go up to the box with the dots, which, yep. And you want to go to courses. Great. And it's trying to load. Okay, can you scroll down a bit for me? Yes. Oh, good. It's working. I love it when things work, Since Allie is a coaching client at the highest level, she has access to absolutely everything I've ever made. So the digital bandit sign course is on the upper left-hand side that you're looking at. That's how to find deals online. So Allie's in Winnipeg. If she wants to find deals in Kelowna, she's going to want to dive into that course. I have a recent coaching client. His name is Havan. He lives in Surrey. He got 3 no bank qualify, low money down deals in Edmonton from Surrey using these strategies. The Street Smart Buyer coaching program is how to find deals, a bunch of information on how to find deals. Dive into that. It has the Street Smart Analyzer, the Motivated Seller Worksheet, what to look for, what to look out for, along with a complete landlording program. It's based in Alberta and BC, but it's still a good foundation for anybody, no matter where you are. OREIG monthly membership, I already talked about that. So there's like over 100 online content videos filled with information that will keep you busy for months. Okay, there's thousands of hours of information in there. The original bandit sign course is another great way to find deals. So recent coaching client Trina found a house. She was doing bandit signs over in Lethbridge. She put her bandit signs out. She was doing this for a few weeks, and a tired landlord called Trina. He sold her 2 properties, both no bank qualify agreements for sale, very low money down, $15,000 down for each property, and he gave her a 30-year term with a 2.1% rate. That is for the entire 30 years. And this property has gone up substantially in value since she bought it. And she's created a great home for a couple of families. So it's awesome. Scrolling down, you have good, awesome. The Street Smart Real Estate Investment Tools, that's another place to go get your analyzer and your motivated seller worksheet and your color code personality and all of this, just a ton of content there to help you in your real estate investment journey. How to raise capital for coaching and courses is a 3-session program on how to raise money if you don't have enough money to sign up for coaching with me, or you don't have enough money to invest in the wholesaling course, which is $19.97. So it's less than $2,000, and I have a payment plan. And so it's a great way to create a win-win. So you just want to look in there and it shows you step by step exactly how to do that. The no fluff wholesaling course is absolutely massive. It has all of the wholesaling strategies that you need to start wholesaling. And wholesaling is a great way to start out if you don't have credit, you don't have money, or you don't want to use your credit or you don't want to use your own money. It's a great way to create another income stream in real estate investing without taking a lot of risk. It can replace your income. It has for several of our coaching clients. So have a look at that if you haven't already. Of course, Allison has access to it because she's a high level coaching client. And then raising money for real estate. We're currently working on this really in depth with Allie. How to create a presentation, how to identify your avatar. Allie has the coolest avatar now as a result of looking around and trying this and trying that and finally finding a niche. And she's so good at it. Like, and she's she's the master of the brand new duplex in, what's the neighborhood in Winnipeg?
St. Patel.
St. Patel, Winnipeg. So she's the gal that you want to talk to if you're interested in that. Anyway, she's got an amazing presentation put together, and she's already and now we're working on finding investors for her using the prospecting script that's already in there. So just amazing stuff. And Allie's actually going to be helping us with updating our presentation using Canva. So it's going to be so exciting. So, Allie, this is where you want to go to find all of your information from now on and to interact with the community and keep doing great stuff over on Facebook. That's awesome. That's all completely free stuff. Over here is more exclusive. I want to offer my people as much as I can as far as a community and an exclusive place to be, because I want to have as far reach as I possibly can. And one more thing I want to talk about, since Allie's in Winnipeg, is that Allie, if you want to start a group, a networking group, then you'll have the opportunity to become part of OREIG, and we would make an OREIG satellite office in Winnipeg, and you'd be in charge of it. And I would coach you I'd coach on how to do that successfully. So lots going on. This is the start, and thank you for letting me use you as a guinea pig to show everybody how to use this. I appreciate it.
So awesome. It's super exciting. I can't wait to search and just look at everything that's available, and looking forward to the competition too.
Yeah, I think that I think you're going to be stiff competition, Allie.
We'll see.
It'll be good.
Thanks.
It'll be really good. Yeah. All right,
Thanks,
so
Julie.
I'm gonna stop the recording. Allie's contact info will be in here. I'm gonna send people to your Facebook profile. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, cool.